GT53. Okay, let's write a program. Types begin of ty MAKT, MAKTner type MAKTner, Stras MAKText end of ty MAKT. Internal table MAKT type standard table, or in standard table we always use append, not insert, of ty MAKT. WMAKT type ty MAKT. Parameters p MAKTner select MAKTner Stras from MAKT into table ITMAT where MAKTner equals p MAKTner and Stras equals system language. Loop, run a cycle in ITMAC into WMAKT, keep running until it is empty, and write VMAKT MAKTner, VMAKT MAKText. Okay, LAP9FG will take this one. LAP9FG. Okay. Now let's change the code a bit. Okay. Begin of TY MAKT, same. Now we have TY MARC. Let's see what is MARC. C11. MARC. Display. Okay, plant data for material. So what do we have? Material number, plant, data division MARC, maintenance status, valuation category, and many other. More, environment, data browser, table contents, material, LAP9FG. So this is how it shows us It doesn't have any other details, MRP type ND, and that's it. Okay. So we want material number and works D. Now what is works D? Let's see. Works plant. Okay. This is character type length 4. Okay. Plant. End of TY mark. IT MAC type standard table of TY MAC. WMAC type TY MAC. IT mark type standard table of TY mark. WM mark type TY mark. Parameters P matner type matner. Select matters pass matter from MAKT into table IT MAC where matner equals P matner's price is equal to system language. Select matner works from mark into table IT MAC where matner equals P matner. Matner equals P matner, which is parameter matner. Loop at IT mark into WM mark, read table IT mark into WM mark. IT mark into WM mark. So we are looping mark table and getting data from MAKT. Loop on MARC and we are reading table IT into WM mark with key matner is equal to WM mark matner. Okay. So WM mark matner will be read and written and loop will publish all this. Okay. Check. Pulled. Okay. Activate. Okay, LAP9 FG L9 P1. This is the plant name. So it is getting, so it is running the code. Okay, so we are running loop on one plant and populating and getting data from another, which is also possible. And then we are read table IT MAKT into W MAKT. Okay, with key matner when key matter is WM mark matner. If matner, which is also an IT MAKT, matner and matner. This is unique key, right? This is unique key. So matner, so we are actually integrating matner of IT MAKT and of IT mark, and we are employing and using WA work area mark and work area MAKT to get what matner from WA mark, from work area mark, MAKT and mark works plant data. So we are using both the tables. Okay. Now, coming back, we have another table T001 display plant and branches. Okay, plant name, valuation area. Valuation area is nothing but plant itself. Customer number of plant, supplier number. Initialize. This means these cannot be empty. Supplier number, customer, these cannot be empty. Branches and other. So we'll write. So we are going to write ZT53 25th November. Executable program, save. Okay. Okay. IT mark, we have to get client material plus plant. IT MAKT, material plus description. This is material, this is description. And from TW1, plant plus description, plant and description. Okay. So material, description, plant, plant name, specify plant and plant name. We have to get this program. Okay. Easy. Yeah, easy. Okay. TY MAKT, MATNA, SPRAS, MAKTEX, TY MAKT. TY MARC, MATNA, works D, TY MARC, works type, works D. Data IT MAKT types standard table of TY MAKT, WMAKT type TY MAKT. Okay. IT MARC type standard table of TY MARC, WA MARC type TY MARC. Parameters P matna, type matna, select matnas from MAKT table IT matna equals P matna SPRAS equal to system language. P matna works from mark into table IT mark where matna is equal to P matna. Loop at IT mark into WA mark. Read table IT mark into P matna. Okay, right. It's the same. Okay. Now let's change the code a bit. Types begin of TY, TW01, works type work D, name one type timer, end of TY. Okay. And we add another parameter, which is ITTW1, standard table of TY T0W1, WAT01, type TY01. Okay, simple. Simple as that. select single plant name one from T001W into WA, where works is equal to WA mark works. Mark is plant and description works is plant. Right, we mark Matner, we mark text works and name one. Okay. Let me check this. MAKT text 34 X does not have a component called MATX. X check. Okay, no syntax errors. Activate. LP9FG execute. Line P1 no descriptions. Okay, why? Because we did not put it in a loop. So what we do, we pull it from here, select, put it in the select statement. Check, activate. Direct processing. Line FG. Now we are getting the description. Okay. So we actually play around the tables. We use one table to pull data from another table because they are interrelated. Okay. Okay. Plant 2022 16-wheel truck. So this is how you plan out. Okay. Got it? So we make structures of the table. Okay, and then ITMAC type standard table and standard table parameters. Matna from ITMAC, Matna from MARC, loop ITMARC into VA mark. Read ITMAC to VA, key Matna is equal to. So we are integrating MARC with MAKT based on this condition. So it's pulling data from ITMAC when we are getting MATNA from MARC. Select single plant name one from into where works is equal to MARC works. So MARC has a higher precedence over here. MARC works. Okay. So write MARC MATNA, MACTEX, MARC works, name one. Okay. That's how it actually works. So that's all for today.